that the following officials proposed and approved by the National Executive Committee be elected as the national officials of Jubilee Party for a term of 5 years. Party leader, Uhuru Kenyatta. Number 2, Deputy Party Leader, Honorable Jimmy Angwenyi. Deputy Party Leader, Kinoti Kabu. Deputy Party Leader, Outreach, Coast, Honorable Naomi Shaban. National Chairperson, Mr. Nelson Zuya. Deputy National Chairperson, Honorable David Morathe. Secretary General, Honorable Jeremiah Keoni. Deputy Parliamentary Secretary, Honorable Adan Kainan Welie. National Treasurer, Kagwe Geshohi. Deputy National Treasurer, Honorable Ruwaida Mohammed. National Organizing Secretary, Senator Abubakar Haji.